Good howdy folks, welcome back to another James Blackburn experience. This is where I'm at today. We're going to be going on a short hike. Here's some additional information. You can see where I'm at. There's a variety of different things around here to see. So this trail starts on Alameda Boulevard at the river, and you park on the south side of the road, and then the trail goes right under the bridge to begin with, and then eventually it gets back to a dirt trail here in a very short while, so we'll show you some of that when we get there. Now the first part of the hike is really close to the highway, which is right there, so you're going to hear some automobiles for a little bit, but after that you get really quickly into the bosque here, and as you can see, the fall colors are still going nicely. Alright, here's where I am at again, so enjoy. We're going to be off the paved trail here in just a minute and down there in the woods. Alright folks, well, welcome back to another James Blackburn experience, continuing the theme of the celebration of autumn here at the Rio Grande Valley State Park. We're about to go off the pavement and onto the dirt. Always a good time. Here it is. Dun 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 dun. Dirt time. My favorite type of trail, dirt trail. As I said a minute ago, the first part of the trail is near the road, but you get away from it really quickly. It's already starting to get a lot more quiet down here. I have hiked this particular area before, but the trail that I'm on right now, I don't believe I've actually been on this particular trail. I'm usually a lot further that way down by the river, but I always love a new trail. Okay, after hiking through the forest here for a little bit, come out to a clearing, and then you can see our classic New Mexico skies here. This is a non-edited video. That color has not been enhanced. That's how it actually looks in real life. It's that amazing. Still a few flowers lingering on up here even in October. Actually, no, it's not October anymore. Today's November 1st. One of these days I'm going to have a camera crew follow me around and show you guys how I make one of these things, because it's a lot more work than you might imagine. I enjoy doing it, but it's a lot of work to do it on a daily basis. Alright, I'm confirming it. I have definitely never hiked this trail before, so it's the first time for me today. Glad I get to share it with all you guys out there watching. You know, you see a lot of trees throughout life, but there's one particular type of tree. It's, no, not really a type, it's more of a shape. Like this one right over here. That particular type of old Halloween-y looking tree there, I always call those Tim Burton trees, because it looks like something Tim Burton would have in his movies. Alright, today I'm only planning on hiking a mile north and then a mile back south again, so 2 miles round trip. As you guys saw at the very beginning of the video, I got the map there for you, so you can kind of see where I was at and what I did. Well, November 1st in New Mexico marks the end of fall here, it looks like. I mean, it's not winter yet, but all the leaves are falling off today, more so than I've seen them doing in the last couple weeks. So it's begun. All right, I didn't think I was going to make it down to the river today, but this trail went down to it, or at least really close to it. All right, there it is, the mighty Rio Grande. Once again, flowing. That was a fun hike so far. I'm about a little over a mile north of where I began, and I'm just taking a little break here in these willows here. I think that's what these are. I'm not 100% certain, but taking a break, and then I'm going to head back here in just a few minutes. But just thought I'd share the moment with you folks. Appreciate y'all watching every single day. Some of you are really religious about it, and you watch every single video, and I can't tell you how much I appreciate that. So thanks a lot, everyone. Appreciate it a lot. Alright, so just to show you where I'm sitting at right now, it's kind of neat. If you look up above me here especially, it's a really cool view. Ah, so beautiful. Love New Mexico. Alright folks, well we're gonna wrap it up today, but as usual, please click the like button, subscribe for the latest content, and the most important message that I can possibly say in any of my videos. Love, love, and hate, hate. Take care of each other.